Okay, this is the last part of Lesson 1, Chapter 2. We were talking about mental math, and sometimes we use the properties, which is why we start off with that. So sometimes we switch the order of the addends if we have a list of numbers. What we're trying to do, the goal here is to make the math as easy as it can possibly be. So whenever I do this, I usually make some kind of a star or a cloud around the mental math. I start with 18 plus 21. What would be the easiest way to solve this if you had to do this mentally? Well, you would take the 18 and you would round it up to 20. Okay, so my estimate, this is actually combining a little bit with the next lesson, which is estimating sums and differences, which is 2.2. This one would round to 20. That one would round to 20. My estimate would be what? So my estimate would be 40. But 18, how far away is that from 20? So what did I do? I went up 2. What did I do to get from 21 to 20? I went down 1. So I'm going to make some mental notes on the paper here. So I went up 2 and I went down 1. So for my sum 40, I have to do the opposite to get back to the answer. So 40, I have to do the opposite of add 2. I have to subtract 2. So 40 minus 2 is what? 38. Now I do the opposite of minus 1. I add 1. So I'm at 38. I have to go up 1. The answer is 39. Okay, my next example is $1.89 plus $1.99. What does this round to? $2 and $2. So $2 and $2 gives me $4. So if I'm in the store, I'm not going to sit there and add this up. I'm just going to estimate that I need about $4, right? So I went up what? I went up $1.89. Now I'm going to count by tens. $1.99, that's a dime, and then a penny. So I went up 11 cents. 0.11. And here I went up what? 1/100th, or a penny. So I went up for both of them. So I went up a total of what? I went up 11 cents, and I went up 1 cent. I went up 12 cents. I'm at where am I here? I'm at $2 plus $2, which is $4. Now I have to take away $4. Think about it in your head. $4, I have to take away 12 cents. That's a dime and 2 pennies. $4, let's take a dime away. $4 would be $3.90, right? Now 2 more pennies. What's 2 pennies less than $3.90? I'm at $3.90, and I'm at $3.88. Okay, so that's how I would figure out the money examples here. Let's do a subtraction. Okay, so this is a method that I call jump. I've been doing this one for a long time. It's not in your textbook, but it really works really well because subtraction, the rounding is a little trickier if you do that. So I always like to show this. So with jump, what I'm doing is basically I am counting up from my lower number to my higher number, and this is how I do all of my subtraction mentally. So I'm going from 29 to 50. So in my head, I am starting off here. I'm sorry. I'm going to put the 50 here. I'm going to put the 29 here. I'm sorry, I'm talking backwards here. 29 goes there, and I'm going to put the 50, that's my result, here. So in order to do this easy math in using compatible numbers, which means easier numbers, I go up from 29 to 30. Now, it's really easy to count from 30 to 50, right? So 30, I just went up 1. I'm going to put a plus 1 in here. 30, 40, I just went up what? 10. 50, I just went up another 10. So to get my answer, or my difference, I count up the jumps. I have 10, 20, 1. So my difference is 21. Okay, so that's how you would do mental math using compatible numbers. My estimate, okay, would just be my rounded numbers. And here it was 30 and 50. My estimate was 20. Okay, which is really close to the result. Same up here. I had an estimate. It was about 4. No, it was a little less because I rounded both up. And here, my estimate was 40. And I had rounded them both up, or one of them up, one of them down. So I had to adjust both of the numbers. Sometimes you adjust one, sometimes you adjust both. So that's basically the rest of lesson 2.1, and I think 2.2, and I will start, and then I will start another video for the next series of lessons, which is how to add and subtract decimals using bar models and some other models. So I'll do that one next. It's really, this time we're going to have all of our lessons, we're going to consolidate into these 3 videos, because if you need more examples, please let me know and I'll make some more videos. But that's basically the gist of everything. Practicing doing these things with different numbers is really important. So we'll see you for the next one, adding and subtracting decimals.